Let's play through this next chorus and we'll be all in full strumming. So going out of the verse, build on the 4, and into the chorus, full in. Up to the 1, and we're going to cut going into the bridge. So again, that chorus is going to end on the 1 chord, and again I'm going to slide that 1 up and play it higher on the bridge because the music kind of comes down a little bit. The music kind of hits coming off that chorus and kind of falls off. So going up to that higher octave, that higher register, and then kind of strumming through that just helps the acoustic kind of cut through the rest of the band as they kind of fall off and the song transitions into the bridge. So I'm going to slide up to that high E that I showed you, and then just kind of strum that a little bit softer, and then it's going to build into the bridge. So it'll be signs and miracles on the earth as it is in heaven. Build going into the bridge. So the first pass of this bridge is going to be cut for the most part. We'll come in halfway through the bridge and kind of hit or accent on that 1 chord, and then at the end of the first pass going into the bridge for a second time, we'll build in on the 6th chord down to the 5 chord and then go back to the bridge progression.
Thank you for watching another UPCI Music Ministry video on YouTube. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up. Also, make sure and subscribe to our channel in order to get the latest content videos and tutorials.